Total questions, 50. You have 10 seconds for each question. You may pause the video if you need more time. Wish you the best of luck. Question number 1. I was born. May. A. In. B. On. C. At. Question number 2. He is allergic. Rats. A. To. B. At. C. By. Question number 3. She is interested. Learning new languages. A. On. B. In. C. At. Question number 4. The cat is hiding. The table. A. On. B. In. C. Under. Question number 5. You married? A. Are. B. Is. C. Have. Question number 6. He is good. Mathematics. A. By. B. In. C. At. Question number 7. The meeting starts. 9 a.m. A. In. B. At. C. By. Question number 8. She has. For 4 hours. A. Sleep. B. Sleeped. C. Slept. Question number 9. He came. A bicycle. A. Under. B. By. C. On. Question number 10. He jumped. The river. A. At. B. On. C. Into. Question number 11. They live. London. A. In. B. Under. C. At. Question number 12. She sat. The chair. A. At. B. In. C. On. Question number 13. The bridge is. The river. A. Under. B. Over. C. In. Question number 14. The dog ran. The garden. A, in, B, under, C, across. Question number 15. I will be there. 5 minutes. A, by, B, on, C, in. Question number 16. We traveled. Car, A, by, B, under, C, in. Question number 17. She has been living here. 2015. A, from B, for, C, since. Question number 18. The birds flew. The trees. A, in, B, under, C, over. Question number 19. I prefer tea. Coffee. A, at, B, to, C, than. Question number 20. The store is open. Monday to Friday. A, in, B, since, C, from. Question number 21. The road goes. The river. A, at, B, across, C, along. Question number 22. She will come. Monday, A, at, B, on, C, for. Question number 23. The plane is flying. Clouds. A, in, B, under, C, over. Question number 24. We need to. A decision soon. A, have, B, do, C, make. Question number 25. She walked. The door and left. A, out of, B, across, C, for. Question number 26. I put my phone. My pocket. A, on, B, over, C, in. Question number 27. The train went. The tunnel. A. In. B. Under. C. Through. Question number 28. She is famous. His paintings. A. On. B. For. C. In. Question number 29. She arrived. Time for meeting. A. At. B. In. C. On. Question number 30. She has a strong. In herself. A. Dream. B. Thought. C. Belief. Question number 31. We walked the park and enjoyed the fresh air. A. Through. B. Across. C. Under. Question number 32. He was prized. His hard work. A. In. B. By. C. For. Question number 33. He paid. Cash. A. With. B. In. C. By. Question number 34. The law will come. Action next month. A. At. B. In. C. Into. Question number 35. The ball rolled. The table. A. Under. B. On. C. Beside. Question number 36. He ran. The streets to catch the bus. A. By. B. Along. C. Across. Question number 37. If she were rich, she. Travel the world. A. Will. B. Can. C. Would. Question number 38. He always watches the news. The morning. A. In. B. On. C. At. Question number 39. I don't. Junk food. A. Taste. B. Prefer. C. Like. Question number 40. She is playing. The garden. A. On. B. Under. C. In. Question number 41. She made a mistake. His homework. A. At B. In. C. Under. Question number 42. He is suffering. A bad cold. A. With. B. By. C. From. Question number 43. She borrowed the dress. Her friend. A. From. B. By. C. At. Question number 44. I will meet you. The airport. A. On. B. In. C. At. Question number 45. He apologized. Being late. A. At B. For C. About. Question number 46. She was tired. Working all day. A. For. B. With. C. Of. Question number 47. The movie was similar. The book. A. Than. B. From. C. To. Question number 48. She stayed. Home because of her illness. A. On. B. In. C. At. Question number 49. I am taller. My brother, A. Of B. As C. Than. Question number 50. The car is. Good condition. A. By. B. In. C. At. Well done. How many questions could you answer correctly? Tell me your score in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe.